Hello everyone, this is Riley from KOMATCO. We are construction machinery supplier with over 17 years experience. Here we arrived at a LONKING factory. Today I want to introduce an excavator to you. Let's go! This is the CDM6060 excavator. It's made by LONKING. The operating weight is 16,000 kilograms, and the max digging height is 60 meters, and the max digging radius is 9 meters. Now look at the bucket. This is the bucket of 1 CDM. Now, let's look at the whole excavator. This excavator has a strong power and is equipped with a high-power engine, which can handle various operation movements. This is the engine. YANMAR engine charged the direct injection engine, and the rated power is 66 kW. And the engine is very stable and reliable. It's very fuel efficient. Now let's look at the excavator cabin. Comfortable ROPS cabin with 3 CDM operational space, and no from cab glasses to enlarge operational field of view. Now let us get closer and look at the inside of the cabin. Adjustable seat and control pilot and air conditioner make the driver feel more comfortable. Totally high productivity, excellent fuel economic, and outstanding operator comfort make it very popular in the market. So if you are interested in it, please contact me quickly. See you next time.